Most people get this wrong. They think identity protection services are all the same. But the surprising truth about Identity IQ is that it offers a comprehensive approach to monitoring, alerting, and restoring your identity. Identity IQ monitors credit reports, bank accounts, credit cards, and even dark web activity for signs of identity theft. If suspicious activity is detected, you receive instant alerts via email, text, or app notifications, allowing you to act quickly before serious damage occurs. One of the strongest features is credit monitoring. Identity IQ tracks all three major credit bureaus, helping you catch errors for fraud early. You also get access to your credit scores and reports, which is useful if you are planning a loan, mortgage, or new credit card application. Another advantage is identity restoration. If your information is compromised, Identity IQ provides a dedicated restoration team to guide you through the process, which can save weeks or months of frustration compared to handling it alone. Pricing is competitive, with multiple tiers depending on the level of monitoring you need. Some users note that the interface could be more user-friendly, but the monitoring and alerting features remain strong. The surprising truth is that Identity IQ doesn't just watch your credit, it actively monitors multiple facets of your identity and offers tools to recover from theft, making it a proactive solution rather than reactive. In conclusion, Identity IQ is ideal for anyone concerned about identity theft, credit monitoring, and financial security. Its alerts, reports, and restoration services provide peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Subscribe for more honest reviews on tools that protect your finances and identity.